Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher. Today we're on a 2024 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. Starting off in the front of the boat here, you got this nice big seating area up front. Windlass up here, and as you can see at the windshield here, this one has the full glass windshield all the way to the hardtop. Going through the door here, walk down into the cockpit. Nice big cockpit, a lot of seating in here. This one does have the cockpit air conditioning as well as generator and air conditioning in the cabin and the grill. Refrigerator, trash. This one back there powered by the twin 350 horsepower V10s. The 350 V10s, right at 31 hours on them. Here's your joystick on that. You have 6.1 hours on the generator currently. Down into the cabin. See, you got your nice dinette area converted to the forward berth up here. Rear berth. Refrigerator, microwave, and your wet head. Once again, Captain Ben Beecher at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this 2024 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. Thanks. Have a great day.